This tutorial is a step-by-step basic lips construction of the portrait view of the lips. We will be learning more detailed approaches to the lips as we work through face templates, but for now this is a great way to get started. We're going to be using measurable and observable mindsets as we use sighting to determine what we're looking at. And remember, sighting is when we measure using our pencil. So to start, we're going to be looking at our person that we're drawing. So I've got this image inset, and we're going to draw the center line of the lips. Remember that you don't need to be overly detailed creating a contour line between the lips to start. So I am going to sight the width of the lips. I'm going to bring it over. I'll just say that's the center line of my lips. Using direct observation, then I'm going to sight the distance from the center line of the lips to the upper and lower edges of the lips. This will establish the basic upper and lower lip planes that we will be using. So as I do this, mine is coming up to about here. So there's one. The lower lip appears to be slightly bigger. So come down to here. So this is my lip plane. My lips are going to fit into that space. Now we're going to measure and draw the basic angles of the outside edges of the lips and the plane placeholders. It'll look something like ramps on the upper lip and a bowl on the lower lip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sight the angle from the outside. So I've got my angle here. And I've got my angle on the other side. And what I will do then is be able to sight in. I'm going to use this as the center of the lip. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Measure my angle. Same thing on the other side. Measure my angle. Then we're going to divide the lip planes into smaller shapes to create the illusion of the form. There are 3 shapes that make up the upper lip and 2 shapes that make up the lower lip. I'm going to start in the middle here. So there's my upper lip and my bottom lip. Then we're going to use direct observation to create the final lip contour lines that form around the shapes. So in this particular lip, this bottom section is almost flat. It curves up just a little bit like we have on our shape. And then our angle is going to come down just slightly, back up slightly, and then notch on the edge of the lip. Angle's coming down, up, and angle back down, slide to the edge of the lip. And that's using sighting for step-by-step basic lip construction for the portrait.